Guys, yesterday we were buying this. So yesterday what happened over there, the price just went nowhere. We had some bullish movement and we had some bearish movement. The price was just choppy, indecisive. But for today, guys, I'm going to side with the pairs as long as the price stays below 1.34987, guys. We are already at the first target area, which is 1.34756. So I'm going to ignore this because we already there, guys. But do keep that in mind because that is an important driver. So guys, my target would be 1.34489. 2 days, guys, we've been chopped around in this pair, and I know we guys, and guys, I would always start buying this if the price breaks above. By breaking means, I mean a close on one edge, not a weak candle. 1.35117, guys. If you want to define entries and stop losses, you need to go and watch the free methodology on my channel. It's free, nothing for money. And but guys, without a proper system, I promise you, you will fail and lose money. This is my promise. So if you don't want to lose money, guys, do your research, do your hard work, and learn that. But just analysis is not enough to make money. You need to have a trading system, a systematic trading approach. So, anyways, guys, wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.